Welcome to this free course on prompt engineering. The right prompt is the difference between AI that gives you mediocre, generic answers and AI that's genuinely useful. It's one of the most valuable skills a student can build today, and you can learn it in 30 minutes. Watch what happens. On the left, a vague prompt. Help me write a performance review. The AI has nothing to work with, so it guesses. On the right, an engineered prompt with a role, the task, real context, and a clear format. Same topic, but now the output is something you can actually use. Inside, you'll learn how to set roles, guide the AI with examples, use chain of thought reasoning, control output formatting, and apply real-world patterns you'll actually use. Everything is hands-on, 100% free, and you earn a free certificate for your resume. Start the free course today at freeacademy.ai. Practice your prompts hands-on, watch your results transform, and earn your certificate. It only takes 30 minutes to level up.